Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to turn on developer mode on Chromebook. Enabling developer mode will erase all locally stored data on your Chromebook. Back up any important files before continuing. To start, power off your Chromebook completely, then power on your Chromebook. Immediately hold this key combination. Escape plus refresh. Power button. Hold the escape and refresh keys until the screen lights up, then release them. You will see a message stating Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard. A screen might ask you about OS verification. If so, press Enter. Your Chromebook will restart and display a message about OS verification being OFF. Press Ctrl plus D again. The Chromebook will restart and enter developer mode. You might see a screen mentioning you're in recovery mode. Press Ctrl plus D to dismiss this message. That is it. Your Chromebook should now be in developer mode. Remember to back up your data regularly when in developer mode. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in this next one.